The ram and the goat. Empires clash and horns are shattered, but no king rises without heaven's permission. History is not a series of accidents. It is a controlled collision. 70 weeks are decreed. God isn't just watching the clock. He set the gears in motion. From the decree to the cross, the arrival of the Messiah is timed to the very second. Behind the curtain of the physical world, a war is raging. Princes of darkness resist, but the Archangel Michael stands for God's people. You are never fighting your battles alone. Go, marry a woman who will break your heart. Hosea's life becomes a living parable of God's love for a people who have walked away. Our sin is a tragedy, but his love is a pursuit. 15 shekels of silver. God doesn't just wait for us to come home. He goes to the slave market of our mistakes and buys us back. Redemption isn't free. It costs the heart of God. They sow the wind and reap the whirlwind chasing. Idols is like chasing shadows. It leaves the soul empty and the land dry. Return to the source before the storm breaks. How can I give you up? My compassion is aroused. The father's heart breaks for his children. Hear the lion roar no to devour, but to call his wanderers home.